Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. I know I haven't been consistent. I know I haven't been dropping videos, but I'm back and I want to start posting the videos I used to, right? To break down GJ and come back to you guys the next day. So I'm giving you guys free trades, free trade setups, free trade ideas. And today we got GJ. So tomorrow or tonight, when we take it tomorrow, I will update, show you the entry, show you everything you need to see so you guys will learn from these YouTube videos, right? I love being transparent with you guys and I love updating content. I've just been so busy with the academy, with all my students, that sometimes uploading a video for YouTube on top of everything that I'm doing is sometimes a lot, but I like doing this. I started to do it and I don't want to stop doing it, right? So I'm going to get back to that. So we're going to be going to the charts. So right now I have GBP JPY. I'm going to show you guys a quick breakdown and we're going to get right into it. So I hope you guys like it. Remember, follow me on Instagram if you guys are interested in joining the academy. Please DM me, please email me at alex.romero@rocketmail.com or follow me on Instagram. I'll pop it up right here. Boom. So we're gonna get straight to the video. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Boom. So when it comes to GJ, right, where are we in GJ right now? So we're actually stuck in these in a very interesting area right now, right? We're stuck in a very interesting area, but we're gonna break it down top down, right? That's how we trade, right? Top down analysis. We break through, we break down, starting on the higher time frames. And there's a couple of things with GBP JPY, right? So when you take the Pathfinder 2 and follow market structure, which is what we base the trends off, right? Weekly is at a higher low point, right? In which tells me that price can technically still go long, right? The problem is, right? The problem is that we have this huge area right here, as you see, right? Huge area, as you see that we're hovering under. So as long as we're trading under there, I don't want to take longs, right? But I do like the way the weekly looks, right? When you look at the daily time frame, right? I know it can be a little crowded, but we have all this rejection here, here, and here, right? Or to the downside. So I feel like we can finally get that pop to the upside, right? But that same area I showed you on the weekly is showing its prominence on the daily, right? You see that every time we come here, it's a nasty rejection, right? Look at this wick and close right back under. We now approach this area again, and we're getting a nice harsh reaction to the downside. So if we continue to hold under here, based on the 4 hour, I'll probably be looking to take shorts or longs depending on what we get, right? So, you know, let's consider all things, right? When we break it down from the top. Weekly is giving me, rejections rather crucial area, but technically we can go long, right? The daily gave us this huge move up, right? Almost creating an equal high. So I do feel like that one or two things will happen, right? We can hold at this area right here, at this area of support and resistance, right? Just like we've held over here, right? We could hold here, and that would be our higher low point, and then we long from that area, right? Just like that on the fib. So that's what can happen, although it's a little too early from now. I do believe price can long from here. Oops, that wasn't supposed to go like that. I do believe price can long from here to go up and then continue to the upside, right? So I do believe that can happen. If not, right, if we begin to start trading under this white area, this is a zone on the 4 hour, right? Look what happens every time we reach here, right? Reject, fly up, reject again, fly up, reject here, fly up. We break under, we retest, and we drop all the way down to the 15900 level at least, right? So if price is going to give this move up, right? Start holding, and then we get a break of structure and retest. That's what I'm going to be looking for, right? Remember, guys, I'm here to show you guys we are here to, accept all possibilities, right? You can't predict the market, what the market's going to do, what it's going to do, but you can react to it. We want to react to it and catch it, what happens, right? So basic price action is telling me that we could be getting rejection to the downside finally, right? And we get this huge push up. We could continue what's going on right here. If not, I feel as though this big bull run can be corrected, just like everything else that gets corrected, right? Almost like it was a correction of this right here. But that's why I do have GBP JPY going tonight, right? I do believe that we are going to hold at this area, right? I do believe we're going to hold at this area, and then we could see longs finally break through this zone that we have right here, right? And again, but we're going to have to break through that zone, right? Once we break the zone, I do believe longs are prominent, they're strong. I feel like we're going to continue to go long. All right, so that's my breakdown on GBP JPY, right? And then if we continue to break under, hold, and retest, that's the only way I'll go short. If not, then I won't go short. If you see right now, that's what price is doing, right? Price is starting to pull under. But to me, this honestly looks like a a retest of this just huge move that happens, right? If you take price just like that, right? If you look at the moving averages on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, it's interesting, right? We don't have a clear bias. GG's kind of ranging, but I kind of just want to give you guys a trade idea, right? I do believe price can either go up from this area, or I do believe price can come down, retest slightly, and then continue to go to the downside at 159.000. I will keep you guys updated, updated short. I mean, I'll upload a short. And then there's also another pair, right? GBP USD, which is very interesting pair right now because of its its way of trending upwards, right? GBP GUSD, and I actually just had cleared my entire chart. I had this broken down for you guys, right? But no, there's nothing wrong with you guys seeing my breakdowns fully. That's what I love to do, right? When you guys kind of see me mark off the areas, right? I kind of just know what areas I had marked off as well, for marking this off so many times. Right? Mark off our areas, kind of draw support and resistance. We're gonna mark this blue because you see this reaction we get here: rejection, higher high, higher low, pull back, and now it looks like we can continue to go high. We're gonna go down the daily time frame and mark off this area right here, right? Kind of gonna show you guys live, right? And then we're gonna continue to go up right there. Right. And for GBP USD, well, what I had beforehand, right, it's just a continuation to the upside, right? If you see price creating higher lows and higher high, higher lows, now we're approaching this key area right here. But this is a very prominent area. I do not like GBP USD. I don't like anything on GU unless we break under, right? Unless we break structure, because the area we are approaching right now, look at all this rejection we have, right? We have a huge rejection over here, spike down, right? Rejection right here, spike down. We ranged in between this level, so we're approaching an area that's very crucial. There's no really longs here, right? There's no really longs here, and this pivot point is crucial, right? Because we're either going to do one or two things. We're going to come down, break under, and retest. That's the short I would love to take. That's the only trade I would take probably, is a short under here. But longs, in terms of longs, there's huge supply and demand area up here that I'm just, I'm going to be cautious about longing around. That's the only trade I do see on GBP USD. Although the longs, I do feel like we're going to continue to go long because that was the original weekly buys from down here, right? After rejecting this area, we pushed long, right? So that's GBP USD. That's GBP JPY. I am looking to go long or short on GJ. I love GJ, right? And yeah, you look down to the 12-hour on GJ, we're pushing down, right? But let's see, right? It's what do you want of these two scenarios, and whatever happens, I'm gonna break down for you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow, back-to-back days, back-to-back uploads. I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. Thank you for watching, and remember, let me know if you guys have any questions, comment on my videos. I'm sorry for being gone. I am back. I'm gonna post three videos a week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.